Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the sound of your alarm on iPhone. First thing you want to do when you're on the home screen of your iPhone, you want to click on the lower center of the screen where it says search. When you click on it, I want you to type alarm and then you want to click on the top left side where the clock appears. When you click on your alarm, as you can see, we already have a preset alarm at 7:50 a.m. How we can actually proceed and change the sound of this alarm? You want to click on the actual alarm, right? Then the third option in the special menu will be sound. You want to click over here and you can scroll through all the different sounds and pick the one that actually fits your needs. Because remember, if you have a morning alarm, there is a specific sound that might be better for you. If you have an afternoon alarm, right, if you work overnight and you sleep in the morning and you wake up in the afternoon, probably you want to pick a different type of sound. So this is how you can go about changing the sound, and this is also how we can go about by changing different settings of the alarm itself. As you can see, you can actually snooze the alarm, or you can set the alarm to work on a particular days of the week. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.